Okay, so today let's just talk about a very beginner friendly coaching funnel. And this is the funnel especially for the people who are in a full-time job. And if you are in your 30s, especially if you are in your 30s, you have a family responsibilities, you have kids, and you have a full-time job as well. But still you are trying to build your coaching business, uh, and you have a very less time. There is a lack of time, uh, and you really want to uh, build this coaching business, but you are not able to run challenges, you are not able to run webinar, and you don't want to go with those funnels where you need to sit for 2 3 hours, and you have to actually give a lot of time in getting people into the system. So there is an easy way that you can use, and that you can start building this business even without running challenges, doing and with doing workshops and webinar. So what this funnel is all about, let's just explore in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics, and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels, so that together we can build and grow our digital coaching and consulting business and live the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just begin the video. Let me share with you my screen so that I can explain you how this funnel is look like. Okay, so let's just go to the screen. Okay, so before I start uh, talking about and start showing you exactly how this funnel looks like, let me tell you one very important concept that you need to understand when you are just starting out. So there are two things that you need to grow any business. The first thing that you need is leads, and the second thing that you need is sales. Okay, I think it's very obvious, and you are agree. You agree with me, okay? In this, that leads and sales, these are the two most important things that you need. But even more important is consistency. Okay, consistency of leads and sales. Okay, if you can just stay consistent with uh, leads and sales, uh, it is going to be the game changer for your business. Okay, uh, getting sales with consistency, getting leads with consistency every single day can make a huge difference in your business. And this is what the fundamental of this particular business, this particular funnel that I'm going to talk about, it is something which will help you to stay consistent, and will help you to leverage consistency. You will not be able to play with volume. Okay, because there is one more concept, that is volume. So one thing that you can do is you can get a people in large volume, and you can just think, suppose you got 1,000 people and your conversion rate is just 2%. So in that case also you are getting 20 people who are buying. Okay, so getting 20 sales, because it's a volume game. You got 1,000 people into the system, and if just 20 people bought it, you got 20 sales. And if you are selling 10,000 rupees product, it's actually like 2 lakh rupees, right? So it's a big amount. You just made 2 lakh rupees in a go. So this is the volume game, but here you are playing the consistency game. You Because in volume case, you need to run big events like webinars, workshops, and challenges. And for that you need a lot of time. You need to just you just not need to build the funnel, but at the same time you need to have your content ready. You need to show up for very long hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. And you have to have like your backend system very solid, where you are consistently following up with the people, so that they show up on every single occasion. So there is a lot of work that you need to do, so many moving pieces, and this makes things very complex. But when you are in a job, when you have a family responsibilities, especially if you are in your 30s, you will be able to understand what I'm talking about, because I'm also in that the same situation. So in that case, it's very important that you keep the thing simple, and this is what really matters to get that momentum going. And once you start getting the streams of revenue coming, when you start getting money coming into your bank account, you can hire someone, you can outsource few things, and you can if you are getting good enough money, you can even leave your job and start doing it full time. So many things could be done, but getting started with consistency is matters, and this is what I am going to share with you, that how you can do that with this simple funnel. So let's just explore it. So basically, I have already like created everything. I actually recorded this video once before, and it completely got uh, um corrupted because of some issues. So I'm actually recording it again, and that is why everything is ready. I'm just going to explain it. So basically, this is a one-to-one calling funnel, and one-to-one call funnel is a very simple funnel. I'm going to explain you how it's going to look like. The first piece of this particular funnel is you have to create one 30 to 45 minute high value training. So just see that what is your topic, and what is that 30 to 45 minute training that you can create to educate your ideal customer. Okay, you need to just educate him about the opportunity that you have with you that can help them to transform their life. Okay, that can help them to solve their problem. So just create this training where you will introduce, where you talk about the problem, then you introduce them with the opportunity, then you talk about few results or how it's going to help them to get the problem solved. And in the end, you will make an offer where you will just say, okay, if you want to like uh, go deep into this particular strategy and get personalized help from me, personalized knowledge from me, or personalized coaching and consulting from me, just book a 30-minute call where I will uh, uh, just book one-to-one call with me where I will explain you everything. You will just give this call to action, this particular offer in the video itself, and then you will just put these trainings on the side, and you will start building your funnel. So how funnel is going to look like? The funnel is going to look like this. The first page is going to be the opt-in page, and in opt-in page, what is there? You will have your headline. This is your headline. You will have all the pointers, okay, where you'll talk about benefits, uh, and then you will give the call to action where it's a button where when people click, they will be they will like be given an option to submit their details, their name and email address. So they will just submit their name and email address, and once they do that, they can watch the training. So basically, you will talk about this training that you have on the second page. This is the second page where you put this training. You will put this training video here, and you will talk about it here on the first page, which is your opt-in page. So in opt-in page, you will talk about this video, that how this 30 to 45 minute training can help them to understand exactly how they can solve their problem. And if the people find it interesting, if your headline and your pointers are good and convincing, they will click the button, they will submit their detail, they will land on this page, and in this page you have this video, this training video that you have created. They will watch this video, and in that video you are talking about booking one-to-one call with them. So they will click on this button. This is the button that you will have below the video. So they will click on this button, and when they click on this button, they will be taken to the Calendly. They will be taken to the Calendly where they can book a slot with you. And how it's, how this funnel can actually help you to save the time and can help you to get the consistency. The reason is very simple. uh, just have 1 hour every day. Okay, if you can just give 1 hour every day after your job, and just uh, uh, are fulfilling your family responsibilities. Suppose in the evening you have one time slot which is like 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. You have this time slot where you can actually work on your business. what you will do, you will just make it available in your calendar, in Calendly, that you are available from 8 to 9. People can book the call. Keep the calls very short, 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. Okay, because they have already watched the video, they already know about everything. You just need to just uh, sorry, you just need to understand exactly what they are looking for and just provide them the solution and make an offer. Okay, so 20 to 30 minutes is enough to do that. So you just keep the slot for 20 to 30 minutes, so people can book to in this particular 1 hour. You can easily take two people. You can easily talk to two people every single day, right? You can talk to two people every single day. And what's going to happen, let's just understand the math, that how this thing can help you to stay consistent and can make a huge difference in your business. So basically, suppose you are talking to two people every single day. So basically, there are 5 weekdays and 2 days I'm counting in the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so 5 weekdays are there, and you are talking to people on these days, and there are in on the weekend, you have like five, you can talk to 5 people, because in the weekend you have full day. So in full day, suppose you are available for 3 hours, and in those 3 hours you can talk to 5 people. Okay, so in this way, uh, you have uh, you have this particular thing. And what's going to happen, 5 people, and suppose if you have 4 weekends in a month, so is or maybe if you have five, let's say four. Okay, I have actually written it wrong. It's not five, it's four. So in this case, it's 32. Actually, it's 32. Okay, it's 32. So 32 people you have talked here, and rest 22 days you are talking to two people. So here you have 44. So total is going to be it's the totaling is going to be uh, it's 6 and 7. Okay, you talked 76 people in a month. 76. But actually I have rounded it off, and I said, okay, you are just talking to 60 people. Suppose in a particular day you are not able to take any call. You are sick, you have some family commitments, and you are not able to do even a single call. There are few days like that. Okay, so I have actually given you a lot of space as well. You can, if you can just talk to 60 people in a month. Okay, it's very easy, doable. Like I have given you the roadmap, and you can see you are getting number 76. Every month you can talk to 76, but here, if even if you can just talk to 60 people, and suppose if you can just convert 10% people out of 60, it's just 6. And in this 6 people, suppose you are selling 10,000 rupees product, you can easily make 60,000 rupees in a month, just by devoting 1 hour every single day on weekends and spending 2 3 hours in the weekend. Okay, uh, and you are also getting free days where you are not doing anything. Okay, I have already shown you. So 60,000, and it is just if you are selling 10,000 rupees product. If you have a very like high ticket product, if you are selling in dollars, like if you have a 1,000 rupees product and $1,000 product, and you are getting suppose 30% commission, so it's $300. $300, it's going to be about 20, like it's going to be about 24,000. Let's suppose 25,000 rupees. So if you are selling 25,000 rupees product, or if you are getting 25,000 rupees commission, if you are selling any affiliate product, a high ticket course or something like that, you can like make crazy money here, like easily 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh is possible. But let's just keep it on the lower side. Suppose you are selling 10,000 rupees product, 60,000 rupees, a good decent money that you can make along with your job, right? So it's possible, and it's doable as well. So this is the main advantage of this particular funnel, because it can help you to stay consistent with leads and sales. Now how you are going to get the leads? So basically, for leads you need to spend few additional hours for creating content. So that is a totally different topic. how you can effectively create a content in batch and use it for your entire marketing. But just create the content and create after creating the content, just uh, post it on social media and ask people and give the link of your funnel. That's it, one link everywhere. Whenever you are posting your content, just place the link somewhere in that content, maybe in the comment, maybe in your bio. All your social media profiles will have the link of this particular funnel. And every content that you are going to post, you are going to talk about this particular link. The call to action will be, just go click the link, or click the link below, click the link in my bio, and just watch that particular training that I have for you. So people are gonna consume your content, they're gonna click on the link, they're gonna they will land on your landing page, this particular landing page that we have built here. So they will land on this landing page, they will go through this particular funnel, and they will be on the call with you, where you can just talk and close, right? And one more thing is happening here, you are collecting the data here, email and name. So basically you will have, what you are going to do, many people will land here, they will watch the training, but they will not book the call. So but still they are in your email list. Okay, in this funnel here, we are also collecting emails. This is the big advantage. So what you can have an automated sequence where you are just sending them the content and you are nurturing them. And in few emails, you are also telling them, you are also asking them to book the call with you. So basically this is the link that you are going to use, this particular calendar link. You will put it on the emails, you will add value in an email, and then you will ask them, okay, if you are ready, just book the call with us. Okay. And in this case, when people keep getting your emails, and if they are finding value through your emails, at particular point of time, few people will start booking the calls. So in this way, you are building a very solid system where you are not only getting the fresh leads, but you are also building your email list. And and these people will also gonna book the calls with you. So it's going to create a very strong flow of leads and sales for your business. So it's a very powerful thing. And this is how you can actually build this business. And once you are start making good enough money, just leave your job and start doing it full time. Then you can play the volume game as well. You can, if when you have a lot of time, you left your job, now you can go and start running challenges, you can start running webinars, you can do the workshops. Everything is possible in that case. But when you are just starting out and you are in job, you have family responsibilities, you have kids, this is one of the funnel that you can use. So what do you think about it? Let me know. If you think that this is doable, this is going to help you, let me know in the comment section. Just comment below, and I will love to know your view. I will love to know that it's going to help you. And definitely I will reply back to you, to and love to talk to you in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell, so that you will be notified about all the future videos as well. Okay, because I have tons of videos on my channel about funnel marketing and about consulting and coaching and consulting business, right? You may be watching few videos on the screen, few suggestions. Okay, so just click them, tap the cards, and start watching them right now. This is what you need to do right now. Just go and start watching them. So that's all for this video. Thank you.